Hello, this is Ryan Dickus, AVID coordinator and 8th grade elective teacher at Vista Del Mar, and today I'm showing you a short video clip of a one-pager for AVID WICOR instructional strategies at our school site. And as you should know by now, if you're familiar with AVID, AVID focuses on writing, inquiry, collaboration, organization, and reading, also known as the acronym WICOR, to implement its program within a site or within the classroom. And for each column, you can see the various categories. Now, there definitely are more. If you've been to the AVID Summer Institutes and you've been to other trainings, you know there's more to WICOR than just these strategies. But I wanted to put by far the most important ones on a one-pager. So not only myself, but our staff, students, even parents and administrators can see how you can go school-wide with AVID instructional strategies fast. For instance, for writing, some key components are students taking Cornell notes, or instead are they doing interactive notebooks? And from trainings with Jonathan LeMaster in critical reading and writing, how are students summarizing an argument, also known as a rhetorical précis? And then say-do proofs. And if you go down the line, I'm just going to paraphrase some of the other ones. For inquiry, right off the bat, you go to higher levels of questions, and you have Costa's higher levels of questioning, steps 1, 2, and 3. And then collaborative study groups. Moving on to collaboration, Socratic seminars, but we want to have Socratic seminars where students are the leaders in the seminars, and they're the facilitators. And right below that, you have philosophical chairs, which are modified debates. And then say, explain, connect, which is modification, but it really focuses on students summarizing, explaining the text, and connecting with the text, which I use a lot for history class. And then the last one down at the bottom is small group tutorials and our collaborative study groups. Moving over to organization. For organization, kind of a overlap from writing, and a lot of these do overlap, but how do the students organize all of their papers and their notes? So you can do this in a binder, but if your school or the majority of your core teachers in science, history, math, language, arts are doing interactive notebooks, that would take in place of the binder. Then the traditional student planner, but I know some schools are going all online, so you could have online websites by teachers or YouTube access, or if you're a Google school, you go that route on how information is being organized from the teacher to the student. And then last but not least, you have reading, and there are definitely a lot more reading strategies, but we need to make sure kids are marking the text. And a lot of the marking strategies I personally use were taken from the critical reading book by Jonathan LeMaster, which I learned way back in 2011, and made some modifications. And I'll show you more for each one of these and how they look, and we'll show student samples, and teachers will give out examples. And then you can see on the far right, say, do, prove again, say, explain, and connect again. As I stated earlier, there is overlap between these, but the focus for AVID is WICOR, writing, inquiry, collaboration, organization, and reading. And for every single one of these on this YouTube channel, I will provide examples. Our AVID site team will provide examples of videos documenting each instructional strategy. Have a good day.